tutorial for today. We are doing an experiment, and it's called the elephant toothpaste. And what you're gonna need is what's this again?
Hydrogen peroxide.
Hydrogen peroxide, some dish soap, food coloring, and some of this. I think it's
Yeast.
And you're gonna need some yeast. So first we're gonna put this, right? So first we're gonna put this.
That's the hydrogen peroxide.
This is the hydrogen peroxide. So what I'll do is that I'm gonna do yellow, and it's going to do green, and we're gonna do blue because you always like blue. Let's pick another color. Right, so Joy will go with yellow. So I'm gonna need the food coloring. We're gonna have to use too much coloring. Too much food coloring. Mommy, that's it.
Everything.
More, the Beyond Burger is good.
And it's almost done. And there. Now, all we need to do is to put
The food coloring.
Now all is the food coloring. Now,
Okay, let Joel try to do food
I put
coloring.
one of the food coloring
Get a napkin.
in here. Wait, I'll get the yellow one. Okay, the blue one. And Joy, you get the green one. I know you want blue, but so how many does the yellow go? Alright guys, you're gonna have to have a lot of food coloring.
Just put three of each.
Okay, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. It's my turn. Okay, wait. Put 3 of each, okay? Okay. It's my turn. Yellow.
Food coloring is just really your choice. Whatever you want. How many colors you want.
Okay. Give me the top. Victoria, that's it. Victoria,
You're not supposed to press hard, Victoria.
See, you already did a lot.
Okay, but it's okay.
You can enjoy. One, 2, 3. No, 4. It's gonna drip down. So now, Mommy, do we put this?
No, the dish soap.
Okay, dish soap. Cause it's not, it goes slow.
Okay, it's just a little squirt.
Okay, and then we add this, right?
Now, look. Add it slowly.
Add it. Oh, look. Hurry before it comes. Put it down. Look. I think it's going just a little slow. Slow poke. Slow poke. It's going up and 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 up. See? No. I wait. No.
Yeah, press it so it actually it's all supposed to come up. It's supposed to all come out by itself without pressing, but
Look at this.
that's how it is with experiments.
It's hot.
Okay, all right.
Look at the other one.
That's how we have the bowl and the plastic bag down there.
Show them the other one.
Okay. The other one had everything down here by itself.
And it was perfect.
Uh-oh. Okay.
Bye. Hope you enjoyed this video and give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.